Let's make a headache tincture. You're going to need feverfew, chamomile, lemon balm, a mason jar, alcohol, pen, and a label. Now that you have everything, let's get started. I have a couple of versions for headache tinctures, but this one works really well and just uses the essentials. And because it's less ingredients, more people can make it at home. I start by putting in a 1/4 cup of the feverfew. Then I add a tablespoon of the lemon balm. Next is 2 tablespoons of chamomile. Once all of the herbs are in the jar, you're going to add the alcohol. I chose vodka, but any alcohol will work as long as it's 80 proof or more. Feel free to experiment or use your preferred one for flavor profile. Once it's all in, cover it up, and it's time to give it a good shake. Label it up so you know what it is and when you began, and it's ready to be put in a dark place to begin the infusion. Give it a shake daily, and in 8 to 6 weeks, it's ready for straining and use. Enjoy!